Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, we are going to compare about different countries and how much you need to spend in those countries in order to do your masters. So watch this video till the end so that you can get the complete comparison between different countries and how much you need to shed off in order to get a master's degree. We are going to discuss about the duration of the course. We are going to discuss about the total funds which you require, how much minimum deposit you need to pay, and what is the total funds which you would require in order to get your student visa. So watch this video till the end so that you get the complete clarity. So how the process works is that you need to have your funds for your tuition fees, you need to have funds for your living expenses, and in some cases you would need to pay your funds in advance, and in some cases you just need to show your funds, and once your visa is approved then you would be making the payments. So it depends from country to country कि कौन सी कंट्री आपसे फंड्स देखकर आपको वीज़ा देगी और कौन सी कंट्री है जो आपसे फंड्स लेकर आपको वीज़ा देगी. सो आपको ये डिसाइड करना है दैट हाउ यू वांट टू प्रोसीड. ऑल्सो यू नीड टू keep in mind that how you're going to proceed with your future plans. Like, do you want to settle abroad or you just want to study and come back? So depending upon the scenario, you can make the decision. Like for example, US में green card लेना is difficult. You would always need the employer support in order to get your visa extension. However, the quality of education is way high. Same is the case with UK. The quality of education is very high, but in order to get the PR, or you want to, if you want to settle down there permanently, you would need the employer support. Whereas in Australia, New Zealand, as well as in Canada, it's comparatively very easy to get PR. So you would need to choose which country to go for. So this would be my suggestion, that whenever you are choosing a country, you would need to see which country should I choose based on the option of getting the PR later on. So that way you would be able to decide better. Now coming back to the main topic, like which how much funds would you require in order to get your student visa, especially for the master's program. So let's start with US first. So total funding which you require for the study visa in US, you would require at least minimum 35 to 40 lakhs. That include your tuition fees as well as the living expenses. Now these funds do not need to be any old. Even if you have the bank statement from today and you're going for your interview tomorrow, you are good to go. You can get the I-20 based on the minimum deposit of at least $500. So even if you'll pay $500, you would still be able to get the I-20. So total funds would be 32 to 35 lakhs. Once you reach US, then you can make the rest of the payment and continue your studies. When it comes to UK, the minimum deposit starts with as low as £2,000. So minimum you need to pay £2,000 in order to get your CAS. Once your CAS is there, then you can show the rest of the funds, which needs to be 28 days old. You can file for your visa. There are few universities which gives you CAS even without paying any deposit, like University of Aberdeen. In that particular university, you can get a CAS without paying any deposit. However, you would need to show the entire tuition fees as well as the living expenses for at least 28 days old. These funds can be shown. So for any country, these funds can be shown through education loan also. So if you have got the education loan, you are good to go. Now we come to Australia. For Australia, there are two major requirements which you need to fulfill. First is that your parents' ITR, both combined, your mother and father, needs to be at least 12 lakh rupees, and your funds which you need to show in order to get the COE, your fund needs to be at least 35 lakhs. That is the requirement. So that covers your tuition fees as well as your living expenses. Then in Canada, there has been a recent change that Canada used to take the student with 1 year of tuition fees and the living expenses, which is called GIC. The GIC amount used to be $10,200. Now that amount has gone up to $20,635. So you'll be spending somewhere around 27 to 30 lakhs in order to get the Canadian student visa. When it comes to New Zealand, the tuition fee starts from 16 to 17 lakhs for 1 year and goes up to 25 to 30 lakhs for the complete course, and I'm talking about the tuition fees. You will need to include the living expenses in this. So 1 year living expenses in New Zealand is $20,000. So if you'll combine both the figures, the minimum you'll be spending for a master's program in New Zealand would be somewhere close to 30 lakhs at least. But the good part is that all this payment will be done once your visa is approved. So before that, you just need to show the funds, and once your visa is approved, then you'll be transferring this amount. However, for these 30 lakhs, this funds needs to be at least 3 months old with the genuine source that where have you got these funds from. So I hope your country comparison is clear in your head, like how much you'll be paying for different country, for what components. And I'm sure you guys must have questions regarding all these payments, how these payments will need to be made, and how these process will be done. So for that, there is a link given in the description. Click that link, get in touch with us so that we can help you understand the process. We can help you do your applications. We can help you open your GIC account, how to manage the funds, how to make the payments, each and everything we can help you out with. So without wasting any time, if you guys have any questions, then write it in the comment section or get in touch with us. There is a link given in the description so that we can help you out. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked that video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to VSE. And we shall see you in our next video. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye bye.